Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 8110 from 2019, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So to start off, you want to power off the device, so hold the power key. Okay. And then tap it once more. When you see this message, press power key to confirm. Okay. And wait for the vibration that will indicate that the device is shut off. So once it's off, you can then hold the up key, which is right here, that little circular thing. Just hold the up one, and while holding that, press and hold the power key also. So up key and power key, and once you see the logo, you can let go, and we're now in the recovery mode. So from here we will use the up and down both to navigate this menu, and power key to confirm, as you can see. And from here you can do a couple things like reboot to bootloader, reboot system, apply updates from SD card or ADB, wipe data, factory reset, which is just a normal reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, and power off. I'm just gonna reboot the system now to exit this menu and confirm it with power key. So, and now the device will boot back up into its normal system. And as you can see, we're back into the normal system. So that is basically how you would enter and also exit the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.